And then there are certain people who have control of the facts. As long as you're in control of the facts, you can, and everyone believes in facts, you can control anyone.
Mhm.
And
So does this all come down to power then? Is this all a power grab then, the way the system is currently set up? To drive us away, pull us away from creativity, to have control over the masses? Is that what it is?
You look at 2001: The Space Odyssey, where in the beginning you have the spaceship is taken over by a computer that basically takes over. And the last bit of the movie actually is more important than the book, because you have the fetus floating past planet Earth, and the last thing the fetus then thinks, "What shall I do next?" It's almost like the evolution has taken place. In the beginning of the film, you have the monolith, and that's when apes evolved to have the more modern thought, and then you have the next period of evolution. So I think there are people who believe that we're going through that phase. I think that those people also believe that there are certain things that we have to do to step through that, even though it's very painful at times.
This was starting again. I started to consider everything I'm doing like I'm building a house, and I knew I had to get the foundation right. I knew I had to put in the work. I had to get in the dirt. I had to lay down the mud and the sand, and I had to mix it up and just start with something. And I feel like I achieved that. I feel like I achieved the foundation. I feel like that's there now. So I'm now into year 2, which I'll take you back to my chart on the board here. It's a little mountain, year 2, and it's got stability in there. Because again, going back to that idea of I'm building something here, it has to be stable at the bottom. So I do need an income as part of that stability. I do need that to be there. I need to look after myself, as we was talking about. I need to network. There are places that I'd like to go to. But at the moment, this year is stability led and focused. So all my plans, that is a key drive, is how is this going to contribute to my stability right now? And then we can even go to 5 years from now. The 5-year is quite simple. I quite like the idea of this. It looks like quite a nice image to go towards. The #1 trusted talk show host